anytime you can see the price came to this level, you should wait, and if you saw a good reaction, then you can open your position. If you were with me in this position, I got 8% reward. I risk 1% on $10,000. I just and I closed when I got 8 times more, and I closed it. I got $800 and I lost 1%. It means $100 on this one. I've got 1.4% on this one, and yesterday I lose this one because I saw this is gonna be head and shoulder pattern. If you know, then we go for like a pattern. We should, if we broke this line, we could come to this level, and I put my close profit in this level, but it came until here, but it's get back to higher price. It means I put my stop loss. I wanted to put a small stop loss, and I've got stop loss, and you can see my position history, and you can see everything is clear. In the morning I've got a stop loss. Was my stop loss, and 103 I lost. Yesterday I've got, or 2 days ago, I got 114. The day before I lost 100, and a few days ago 800 I earned. Okay, this is the way. You can't have all your position just win. It doesn't work. Everyone has a different win rate. You should have your strategy, and you can find how much is your win rate. Mine is 35 to 42, 43 is my win rate. Then let's go to Bitcoin. I explain in Bitcoin every day. We were in this channel, we came out and we went to this level of the midline of the new channel. When we break a channel, we make another new channel above or under the previous channel that we had. Now we are in new channel, and we went to the midline of the channel once, and again we came to this level and we touched it, and we're going to, for now, the buyer doesn't have that much energy, that much we can't see that much power. And as you can see, we are in this range. We are in a sideways in this level, and we are waiting to see we will break this level or we will break this level, because they are very, very important level, and I'm waiting for. Don't forget, if you watch my videos, if you want to trade, if you want to be profitable, always you should have a plan. My plan is breakout. My strategy is breakout, and always I trade when I see breakout. It doesn't matter. I see maybe I get stop loss on that position. I show you, yes, I could get a stop, but I should risk. The trading is risk. The trading is business. I risk and I reward. I risk and I reward. I should always check my reward would be more than my risk. I risk $100 and I earn $800. This account just is a sample to show you how you can trade. This is not my main account, because I trade with a bigger money and I don't want to show you, to be honest. And I know how to manage my position. I put entry price, I put a stop loss, I put my risk losses. For example, I want to risk 2% on this position or 1%, whatever. Then you can trade. You can risk whatever you risk. If in the other way, you can earn, you can reward, you can have a reward. This is for Bitcoin. On a daily time frame, I would wait for this level for daily time frame. I'm telling you again, in a daily time frame, I'm waiting for this level. For short, in a daily time frame, it's good to stay for this level, but for daily time frame, I'm talking. In any different time frame has a different area to open your position. In 1 minute, people trading on a gold or whatever, but we are in a Bitcoin and we are in a daily time frame. When we check daily, we should talk about daily reaction. We should talk about daily entry price, entry level. Now in 4-hour time frame, as you can look, I lock this line. It means don't change it, because I check a lot in a if I go down, I can check in a 1-hour time frame, it would be come to this level. But now in the live of the market, I can see the price came to this level and gave me reaction, gave me has been supported, and I take these FU candles that close under this line as a fake candles. All right, now in a 4-hour time frame, if I want to open position, 1 time reaction, 2 time, and if I can see the 3rd time reaction and come to this level, because 1 time came to this level and broke a bit, like broke, but it get back again and push the price, but it couldn't go and get back the previous price, previous level of the resistance, and the seller, it didn't let them to go even higher to get the previous price and push them down, push the price down to this level. If I can see again, the buyer couldn't. With this, you can see on this candle, a lot of buyer, the price came to this level, and it couldn't, the seller couldn't get it in to push it down, and buyer put a lot of energy with this amount of volume. They pushed the price to the higher price, but as you can see, it couldn't go higher price. It couldn't go to see the new high or something like that. And I think the power doesn't have that much energy. If I can see something like this again, I would open my position for this level. And this is my strategy. I have a strategy, and I would stay with my strategy, and I would trade with my strategy. It would be something like this. All right, then this is for Bitcoin. And for Bitcoin, for 4-hour time frame, for long, for position, this is the main trigger. This is the main area. You should wait for it, and don't forget, put your alarm, and don't forget for that. Anytime you can see the price came to this level, you should wait, and if you saw a good reaction, then you can open your position. And for short, you know what you should do. Hello, you are welcome to my channel. This is MPT Analysis YouTube channel. I record every day analysis of Bitcoin and Ethereum for crypto, and you can watch and you can learn trading on futures or spot, or earning money from DeFi on my main account, Master Personal Trader, and you can go and watch. I have a lot of video. I just wanted to show you, this is Master Personal Trader, my main account. I put about $50,000. As you can see, every day I earn good amount of money, as a free money. I put liquidity, I put farm, and farming, I do liquidity, and I receive a very, very nice reward for all of them. As you can see, in any different platform, I put different amount. And if you want to learn, go and watch video about DeFi and trading and everything I cover. Let's go to Ethereum. On a daily time frame, as we can check and we can see, we are in an uptrend, and we can't see on a daily, in a daily time frame, we can't see confirmation of return, of retracement. We can't see that. Still we are in an uptrend, and it is a very, very powerful. Look on the volume, how much volume we have on this candle. You see how much we have, how much volume we have in this. It means we are in an uptrend, a very, very strong uptrend. And I'm telling you, you should not leave this position. You should not let this Ethereum to go without you, because ETF of Ethereum has been accepted, and I think it's gonna be soon is gonna have a new ATH. Okay, then I'm waiting for. Everywhere is going, I'm going with it. Okay, now let's go for daily time frame. You should wait for this level. This level is more important. It should be we should see something like this. All right, then we can have our position for short, not before that. But for long position, I will wait for this level or maximum this level. This is most important level. I will wait for it. Next, let's go to 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, the situation is different. This one that I put my position here, I wanted to be with this position until this level, because I think for now is playing with trader in this range, this sideways. But I don't want to kill myself, and don't kill yourself in between these two. And now I will wait for this level, and much safer it would be here. And for short position, it would be here. Okay, this is everything I wanted to tell you. Go and check my main account. As I told you, this is a beautiful DeFi account. This is DeFi account. I put everything. If you want to see it again, I refresh it and it says Mr. Personal Trader, and I put about 50,000 and it's growing. I put on this one 1,980, on this one 1,987, and now it's growing to 4,268. It's giving me reward, and the coin by itself, when arrow is going up, the price is going up. It means 1,988 is changed to 4,000. OVN USD, I put just 400. I just put 4,000. Now it's 4,300. I received 113 reward, and I've got a steal, and I have my OVN, and OVN is growing, and my liquidity amount is bigger, growing. Right? This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Thank you so much, and thanks for being with me. See you tomorrow.